Signing in for Radio BCA News, I'm Jason Woodcox. You're listening to WJRT FM Mount Pleasant, the only station that plays what you want to hear. 94.9 WJRT. Houston, an Eastern address. Eastern Airlines has 3 nonstop jets going there every business day throughout the business day. A lot of people want to get to Houston. We like to make it easier for every one of them. We want everyone to fly. The only station that plays what you want to hear. 94.9 WJRT. If only the caveman had a Gillette Mach 3 Turbo, he could have saved himself a world of trouble. 3 razor-sharp blades remove more of each hair with less irritation and shaves evenly and effortlessly. So buy your caveman a Mach 3 Turbo so he no longer has to endure the pain of facial hair. Gillette Mach 3 Turbo is such an advanced tool, a caveman would have killed for it. WJRT plays the hits that you want to hear. From Incubus Drive, Coldplay, Viva La Vida, to 3 Doors Down, It's Not My Time. Keep listening to 94.9 WJRT. Thank you for listening, everyone. Jason Woodcox.
Signing out.